Hello everyone, you're welcome to Fuco Mathematics. Here we provide solutions to math problems. We have a to the power of 32 equal to 2 to the power of a. We are looking for the value of a. But the first thing we are going to do is to move a, this power, to the left and take this 32 to the right. Okay, that way I would have to have a to the power of 32, then raise the same thing, this, to the power of 1 over 32. Okay, then whatever we have will be equal to 2 to the power of a, then to the power of this 1 over 32 will still reflect on the right. So we have 1 over 32. But 32 will cancel itself from here since we have to multiply the two powers. Now, a is equal to 2 to the power of a to the power of 1 over 32. But remember, our target before is to take a to the left as well. So for us to take the a to the left, we can equally change the position of these two powers. So that if we do that, we'll be having a will be equal to 2 to the power of 1 over 32 now to the power of a. What I've done is to change the position. Now I need to remove this from here. To do that, we have a equal to 2 to the power of 1 over 32 to the power of a. Then this power here now, I have to multiply it by 1 over a as well. Now it has to reflect on the other side. So we have this to the power of 1 over a. But this and this can now cancel. So we have a to the power of 1 over a to be equal to 2 to the power of 1 over 32. But remember that we're looking for the value of a, and we're not going to introduce log to this problem, right? So what do? Let's continue to break this down. And now watch me do what I'm going to do. A to the power of 1 over a is equal to, see this 2 here, I'm going to raise it to an imaginary 2 over 2. Then the power here is 1 over 32. It's still there, right? Remember, 2 over 2 is the same as 1, so this has not changed anything. So I have a to the power of 1 over a, and it's now equal to, from here, I can raise this 2 to the power of 2, and that will give us 4. Then these 2 here will multiply this, okay, so that we have the same 1, but this time around over 2 times 32, and that is 64. Okay, so this is what I have. Now I can still do the same thing because I need to have something that will be in this form, a number that will be in this form. So a to the power of 1 over a here is equal to 4 to the power of 2 over 2, like I did before. Then raise this to the power of 1 over 64. And like I said before, we have a to the power of 1 over a, but this time around is equal to 4 to the power of 2 is 16. Then these 2 multiplied by 64, that will give us 1 over 2 times 64 is 128. So from here, I'm still going to do the same thing. I'm going to repeat what I did before so that I have a to the power of 1 over a to be equal to, here we have 16. I'll now raise this 16 to 2 over 2 as well. Then raise this to 1 over 28. From here, I have a to the power of 1 over a, and it's equal to 16 to the power of 2 is 16 times 16, and that is 256. right? Then I will multiply the other. These 2 is already away, so I have 1 over 2 multiplied by, oh sorry, this should be 128, right? Okay, so I have 2 multiplied by 128, and that is 256. And then from here, you look at what we have right away. On the left hand side, we can now relate what we have on the left to what we have on the right. Now let's compare the bases. If we are comparing the bases, let's say that the base is equal to the base on the left hand side is equal to the base on the right hand side. So that means we have 256. Now let's compare the powers as well. We have 1 over a on the left, and on the right we have 1 over 256. 1 over 256. So if we cross multiply, then a is alone and it's still equal to 256. Then look at this. From the power, we have a to be 256, and from the base, a is also 256. Now what I want us to do now is to compare, to verify. Okay, so let's verify what we have done. So we're going to verify this. The original equation is a to the power of 32 equals 2 to the power of a. But now we're having a to be 256, right? So we have 256 to the power of 32. Will this be equal to 2 to the power of a is 256? So do you think what we have on the left and on the right are equal? Okay, let's keep trying. Mind you, 256 here can be written as 16 to the power of 2. Okay, even if we don't want to write this as 16 to the power of 2, we can still write this, to have 2 as the base, and that will do very quickly. Okay, 256 is the same thing as 2 to the power of 8. Then we have the power of 32 on the left. So on the right, we still have 2 to the power of 256, right? Okay, that would be a very large number. Now, we always multiply powers. So we're having 2 to the power of 8 multiplied by 32 will give us 256. And on the right hand side, we are having 2 to the power of 256. So what can you see? You can see that the left hand side and the right hand side are equal, right? So this is to confirm or to verify that a is truly equal to 256. Thank you for watching this video to the end. Just share this to your friends.